Hey everybody, CJ with Roswell Astronomy. Welcome back to the channel. We got some really exciting news for you. First off, apologies for not getting a video out here recently. Unfortunately, I'm coming up on the other side of a sinus infection, which is finally going away, thankfully, to antibiotics. And then the weather's just been crap in Georgia for the past several weeks anyway. I may have had one or two clear nights that I could have gotten out, but I just wasn't feeling physically fit to do so. But hopefully this weekend, which is July 4th, 2021, this weekend, hopefully we'll have a clear night or two, and we will get the GM45 out, do some unguided tracking, and do a follow-up video on the GM45 review. So that's due to you. I will get it to you. Now, on to the exciting news. So a gentleman by the name of Victor reached out to me here just recently, who was a former subscriber to the Roswell Astronomy channel, saw that I started Georgia Astronomy and saw some of the videos there and reached out and said, guess what I have? There you go. So he thankfully had the forethought to save the Roswell Astronomy videos. So he has saved all of them, and I actually knew about this a couple of weeks ago, and I sent him a thumb drive and he just sent it back to me. I just got it back today, as a matter of fact, and it's got every video from Roswell Astronomy going back to 2017. So all of the old videos are saved. So I reached out to the Facebook group and said, hey, would y'all want to see these reposted? And it was a resounding yes. So we're going to be re-releasing the Roswell Astronomy videos onto the Georgia Astronomy channel. Now, somehow in the naming convention, when I go to upload them, I will, show them as Retro RA or something. They're still branded with Roswell Astronomy. Also, I'll have to brand ahead of it again with Georgia Astronomy, but then I'll make sure, so that when it's uploaded, you'll see that it's an old video, not a new video. So I'll figure that out somewhere. I'm not sure how to do that. What I do need your help on, though, is how do I release them? I already asked what to release, and some friends in the hobby and stuff said all of them. Just do all of them. Don't cherry pick. Throw all of them out there. So I may even do the Country Kenny videos. I'm not sure yet. Anyway, how do I release them? I don't think I necessarily want to do one massive data dump. That would take forever, and I think it would be overwhelming. At the same time, I don't want to do one every Thursday, like Throwback Thursdays or something like that. So I don't know if I should do them in blocks, or if there's ones that y'all want to see first versus other ones. I've got the 12-part series on the astroimaging for beginners, which I may do one release of all 12, or I may break that up over the course of 3 or 4 weeks. And then I've got all the other videos mixed in as well. So I need ideas from y'all. I need to figure out how to release these. How do I get these back out again? And in what order? Should it be chronologically? Should it be, what? I don't know. Y'all got to tell me. I'm not sure. I'm just thrilled to death that Victor had the forethought to say, I'm going to save these videos, because I sure as hell didn't, and mistakes learned. So I can't believe that I'm this blessed to be able to have these videos back. So as a promise to you, as well as to